Hi guys! Today on Divas Can Cook, we are taking these homemade chicken meatballs. We're going to toss them in this hot and spicy buffalo sauce to create my favorite buffalo chicken meatballs. This appetizer, y'all, it goes so quick, so you might want to double that recipe if you're cooking for a big old crowd. Very easy to make. Let's go! Okay, first step, we're going to add our butter into a large saucepan. We're going to let this butter melt down and get all hot and sizzle it just like this right here. And once that butter has melted, we can go ahead and throw in our diced celery and our diced onions. Make sure you cut it really small, okay? Really get it small. It won't take any time at all to cook if you do it really small like that. And once it is nice and tender, go ahead and place it into a large bowl and let it cool down for just a little bit. And then next we're going to add in our egg. Where's our egg at? There it is. Add that egg, dump it in. Next we're going to add in a little bit of mayo for moisture and flavor. Gotta have that mayonnaise with them chicken meatballs. Yeah, makes it taste so good. Next, just go ahead and stir it all up like that. You want to make everything become one. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, now I'm going to add in a little bit of hot sauce. I'm using Frank's Red Hot sauce. You can really use your favorite hot sauce, but yeah, just, I don't know, use Frank's. It's good. Okay, here's all the spices that I'm going to put in my meatballs. I got some cayenne pepper, parsley, onion powder, garlic powder. Cayenne, all that good stuff. Go ahead and dump that in there and then just stir it up, and that is how it looks. Luscious. Next we're going to add in some breadcrumbs. I just got like some bread and toasted it and crumbled it up. It's good to go. You can use crackers, you can use panko. You just want to have something to kind of absorb that moisture in there. And now we're going to bring on the ground chicken. I always forget to cook with ground chicken. Like, I always use ground beef and ground turkey, but for some reason I always forget about ground chicken. I have to start using that more. But go ahead and just stir that ground chicken on in there like that. Look at it. It smells so good. I was like, this smells a bomb. Okay, now we're going to cover it up and chill it for about 30 minutes. And then after that, get your little cookie scoop and then just scoop it on out. Make sure that your hands are wet. If they're not wet, then this mixture is going to stick to your hands. It's very sticky, but if you wet your hands and then you roll the meatballs, it will not stick to your hands at all, and they will roll out so perfect and pretty. All right, there we go. Just place them on your cookie sheet. I have lined my cookie sheet with some parchment paper, and you can probably get them all on that pan at one time. We're going to bake it for 100 for about 12 minutes. While it's baking, we're going to make our sauce. Very easy. I got me some Frank's Red Hot original hot sauce going in there. It's nice and thick. I like it because it's nice and thick. It really coats the meatballs. There's some melted butter going in, and then we're going to add in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire, I love saying that. Okay, now we got some spices, some garlic, some parsley, all that good stuff. We're going to dump that in there and then just stir it up, and this is our quick and easy hot sauce. It's the bomb, y'all, for real. It tastes so good. Okay, so our meatballs are done. Aren't they pretty? They're so golden and gorgeous. We're gonna place our meatballs right into this little sauce. You can do a few at a time. You can do all of them. We're gonna coat them just like this in that hot sauce, okay? That looks wonderful, but we are not done yet. We're going to place these right back on that pan because now we want to really bake on this buffalo flavor, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to place this what is place, girl? We're going to place this back in the oven and broil it for 1 to 2 minutes, and then when it comes out, you will see, yes, look at that, y'all. It's kind of baked on there. Yeah, and then we're gonna take these and put them right back in that sauce. Now the sauce is really gonna cling to it. The flavor is really gonna be the bomb. It's gonna have that slight little crunch to it. Oh my god, it's so good, so doggone good. So don't skip this step, okay? Yeah, because you will not be living your best life if you skip that step. You just won't. Okay, don't skip it, honey. Don't skip it. Okay, so we are done here. We're done. Go ahead and place this on a platter. Put some little toothpicks in there like that, or you can just throw it in a crock pot to keep it warm. Add some parsley to make it look all pretty, and some carrots and celery sticks, and of course you gotta provide the blue cheese dressing for dipping. And that's it, you guys. Look at the inside. It was so juicy and tender, and it's like that flavor just baked on. Y'all, what? Yes, make this. It's the bomb appetizer. Even my kids like it. It's that good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos later.